Hello everyone, this is Mehan. Today video I would like to show you how to convert a picture to text. The picture that you just take, for example, this book. Okay, YouTube secret, and let me I just take a picture from the chapter 1 right here. So you can see on the screen right here. So I will show you how you can convert it into text using Microsoft Word. Okay. Let me open up Microsoft Word. Okay, right here. So I have a picture right here. Let's convert it. So here the picture. So just drag in here. So we got a picture like this. But in Microsoft Word, there are no option you enable to edit. So what can we do? So first we need to save it. Save as. Okay, just save as and browse to your location and name it picture to Word. So and select PDF file. So we use the PDF file first. Okay. And then don't save it. Right now I got the PDF file. So from the PDF file we can convert into text using Word. So just let me open here, and then we click open and browse to our location. Right here, picture to Word, and then click open. And then it will ask you, it will convert to editable Word document, and they say the text may not exactly the same original, but let me try. Yeah, what we got here, see. So here, introduction, when you start up YouTube, so all editable here, right here. See, even the corner. So it may change, but we can copy this one. Now cut it to a normal page right here. Okay, hope you learned something from the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment. See you next video.